cheese I like to use for the Joe-Fredo. See, it's a little over a pound, 1.3 pounds typically. 4 sticks of butter we just melted, and now we're going to put 48 ounces of heavy cream. Get some garlic, and then Parmesan cheese. Heavy cream, butter, garlic, Parmesan cheese, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Alright, we're going to put in our garlic, 1 big scoop, and then just a little bit more. About 2 tablespoons or so. I just want to stir that in. Put about half the container until it starts melting, and we want to sit here and just stir it in on low from this point on. We don't need the sauce. Add a little high heat while you're standing here, but do not leave it. Got our lasagna sauce there, our red pepper soup there. So tonight is the cooking lessons for Joe-Fredo, a nice low-carb lasagna sauce, and a nice low-carb red pepper soup. So this is keto-friendly and delicious. Now for Joe-Fredo, we just need to salt and pepper to taste. That easy. Okay, now everything's just right. We just want a little salt and a little pepper. Seconds worth of this. And there is Joe-Fredo. On our Alfredo, see the consistency. It's just garlic, butter, aged Parmesan that we shred, and then this powder stuff from the store we shred our own, right in the blocks, Sam's.